Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show where I eat things that are spicy, and you just kind of sit there and watch. It's safe. It's a wonderful location for you to be. And today we've got one that was sent in by Ferengi. This is Samyang Buldak jalapeno cheese noodle from South Korea. And here's what I've got. So basically I threw a fried egg on it, a little bit of sesame seed, and a little bit of spring onion. So with that, this is the first mukbang that I've done in, God, I don't even know how long. It's been quite a while. So yeah, you might notice the green screen behind me. I was really hoping that this would, do better, but with me being, I don't know. I guess it's the GoPro. I'll blame it on the GoPro. I don't know. But yeah. I guess there's nothing for me to do other than give it a try. It mentions that it's 5. The spicy level is 5. I don't know what that means. Anyways, cheers. Well, at this point, folks, I'm going to say 5 means it's not like death spicy. It's got kind of a light on the cheese. It's spicy. It isn't throwing me down, though. Not by a long shot. Definitely not as hot as 2X or 1X. I don't know, it's kind of creeping on me. The noodle in this one is quite good. Nice chew to it. I'd say it had more of a jalapeno scent than I'm really getting a jalapeno flavor from. Do I like it? Not incredibly. It's not like, I'm definitely not in the mood to finish this, but I will. Done. It's definitely got that bulldog heat to it, but it's just not. It's not lethal. Not top 10 spicy. I can't say I really like it all that much, but it's interesting and one that I've never seen before. So big thanks to Ferengi for sending it over. And I think this would have done a lot better if you dressed it up like nachos. Like if you added some cheese, maybe some sour cream, some guacamole. But then that kind of adds so much to it that you lose the whole flavor on its own. It's not too spicy hot. The cheese element is very lean. Like I said at the outset, it smelled more like jalapeno cheese than it tastes. So not great, not horrible, but meh. That's where I'm coming from on this. Alright, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.